Hello everyone, welcome back to day 183 of documenting my journey as a junior developer. Let's get started with today's vlog. So today I woke up around at 9 p.m. and I tried to get ready as quick as possible because I knew it was going to be a busy day today. I freshened up, got everything ready, and by around 10 a.m. I had joined my work. The very first thing I had to do was check the automation test that has been running overnight yesterday, as I talked about. Thankfully, it had completed, and I had had to review the results, verify everything, and prepare a report for the team. I thought that would be main task of the day, but I was completely wrong. The moment I finished reporting, and my day turned into complete chaos. One after another, I start getting deployment tasks, development tasks, testing requests, and multiple things that needed immediate attention. Every time I thought I had finished one task, another one would pop up. It was one of those days when where your task list just keep growing instead of shrinking. On top of that, I was in middle of testing a database migration on my local machine. I was hoping to complete it today, but then around 3 p.m. everything changed. A client deployment had been scheduled that instantly become the highest priority because so I thought I had to stop all the migration testing I was doing locally and shift my complete focus to prepare for the document and patching the client server. Deployment always make me little nervous because there's very little room for mistakes. Even step has to be executed carefully. Every command need to be verified and every service has to be monitored to make sure everything comes back online correctly. The deploy itself took much longer than I expected. After the deployment came validation. I'm sorry. After deployment came validation. After validation came troubleshooting, and then more testing, and then more verification to ensure that everything was uh, functioning exactly as expected. Before I even realized it, the evening had already passed. Today honestly felt like very long continuous work session. I barely got any time to relax. Even lunch wasn't really a lunch break. It was eating while monitoring deployments and relying to work messages at the same time. Those are probably the best. Those are probably the days that every developer eventually experiences. Your plan your day around one task, but production and client priority has completely different plans. By the time everything was finally wrapping up, it was already around 10 p.m. That means I worked for almost 12 straight hours today. Because of that, I had to skip the gym, which honestly felt a little disappointing. I've been trying to stay consistent with my workout, but sometimes work simply has to come first. The only positive thing on the fitness side is that I still managed to complete 10,000 steps. So at least I wasn't completely inactive throughout the day. The days like this remind me that being a software engineer isn't always about writing code. Sometimes you are deploying application, sometimes you are patching servers, sometimes you are testing migrations, sometimes you are debugging production issues, and sometimes you are doing all those things in a single day. It's definitely stressful, but it's also a great learning experience for me because every deployment teaches something new. Now it's finally the end of the day and I'm recording this vlog before heading to sleep because tomorrow is probably going to be another busy day. Hopefully everything deployed today continues running smoothly tomorrow. If you enjoyed following my journey as a junior developer, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. I would love to know if you have ever had a work day that just completely took over your schedule. Thank you for watching. I will see you all in day 184. Till then, tata bye bye.